Hello everyone guys, welcome to Study Trip. Before watching the video guys, I would like to request you all, first please press the bell icon and please do subscribe the channel guys. As we all are facing problem of lockdown. Doesn't matter guys, but carry on studying at home and be helpful to everyone. Today we are going to study about the article. Article is very important guys. Whenever we started studying the grammar portion, we had in touch of the article. In this video guys, we will learn about the article, the right uses of article, where a and the is used, okay, in the right form. But I would like to request you all guys to please guys, don't skip the video and watch. Okay, please don't skip the video and watch. Carry on watching the full video guys. And please guys, I would like to request you once again to please guys do subscribe the channel. Now come, let us start our class. And is used before words that start with a vowel sound. When this sentence comes guys, it plays in our mind. First of all, I would like to ask you a few questions. How many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets, A to Z. Okay, the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O and U. These are called vowel and rest is called consonant. Okay. And is used when a word starts with a non-vowel sound. That means in consonant sound. Suppose that bat, a B is not here, and bat has a consonant sound. So A is used in the consonant sound. Come, let us find out. I have written here few examples. Come, let us solve it. Okay. See, examples have been given here. And for example, an angry tiger, an apple, an aeroplane, an elephant, an ice cream. And here, a bat, a hat, a house, a man, and a tree. It has a consonant sound here. And here, see, you will find here angry tiger, apple, aeroplane, elephant, and ice cream has a vowel sound. So it is clarified. And here, for the bat has a consonant sound. For hat is a consonant sound. H has a consonant sound. Man has a consonant sound, and tree has a consonant sound. So it is clear that and is used before words that start with a vowel sound, and for A is used when a word starts with a non-vowel sound. That means it falls in the consonant sound. Okay? So guys, come, let us start with our article chapter. But guys, I would like to request you once again to please do not skip the video and watch. Okay? Now guys, some words, it has been written here, so I have, this is in just a notification guys. Some words as are honest, they start with the letter H. Okay? Some words as are honest, they start with the word H. The sound is coming. Okay? H is silent. H is silent. Whenever we speak, H is silent when we say these words are and honest. Are and honest. Okay, H is silent. Example, so we use and before. So we use and. Okay, before these words as they start with a vowel sound. And see, and honest. H is a silent here in honest. Again, in a HO, the spelling is HOUR, but the H is silent here. Okay, so it's coming in the, suppose HOUR, it is coming in the vowel sound, it has a vowel sound, so we use an R. Okay, an R, a girl. Now, in this words, university, unicorn, uniform, okay, makes this U, I'm talking about this U. U makes the same sound as Y, as U, Y-O-U, okay, as U, in U, okay. These words, university, unicorn, uniform, U makes the same sound as U, okay, and makes the consonant sound. So we use A here. Once again I am repeating this line, this row. In this word, as university, unicorn, uniform, U makes the same sound as U, Y-O-U, okay, and makes the consonant sound. And for consonant, I have told you that A is used for the consonant sound. I am going to clarify every line today, but guys, carry on watching the full video without skipping the video and work. Okay? Now, it's clear? If possible, guys, just copy all this in the fair copy, in a good writing. Now, guys, when do we use indefinite article? As we all know that A and an is an indefinite article, and the is used always in the form of definite article. Now, uses of A and an. Before countable nouns in the singular form. See that? Before countable nouns. Always remember, guys, before countable nouns. Before countable nouns. In the singular form. It should be in the singular form, guys. Okay. A student, a chair, a fan, a pen, a marker, a whiteboard, a bottle, a stool, a tree, a train. Okay? To define or describe. To describe a person or an object. For example, an engineer, a mobile phone, an important watch. Right? Next is in some expressions that contain items. Okay, once again, in some expressions that contains items. So for example, Mukul was in a hurry. Okay, so be very, very careful here, guys. If possible, just copy it in the fair copy. Okay, now I'm going to give you some few examples that articles are not used, where articles are not used, where we don't use a or an. Okay, now guys, we do not use a and an. Okay, before countable nouns in their plural form and before uncountable nouns, because a and an signify one. Once again, before countable noun in their plural form and before uncountable nouns, because a and an signify one. For examples I have given here. I have chairs in my study. Okay, study or study room. Okay, in my study room, we can say study room. Okay, so we don't use a chair. It's wrong here. Okay, so I have chairs in my study room, not a chairs. Next example, please bring some sugar. Okay, not a sugar. See, clear? Now, second number, before an adjective not followed by a noun. For example, I have written here, he is brilliant, not he is a brilliant. Okay? We don't use it. Okay, so he is brilliant. So it is clarified that before countable nouns in the plural forms and before uncountable nouns, because a and an signify a singular one. Clear? Now guys, come let us check. Okay, once again, the question is that few more examples. What you have to use a and. A or and you have to use or. I have written here n dot a, that stands for no article. When not necessary, so we can use no article there. Come. Dash book. First thing guys, we have to see that the word has been given in the singular form or it's in the plural form. Go stepwise. Okay, I'm trying my level best to teach you and take you in a very, very simple way guys. Okay, book. First find out, imagine that the book is in singular form or it's in plural form. Yes, first find out. So the book is in the singular form. Go to the second step, go to the sound. Well, it's falling in the consonant sound. Book is falling in the consonant sound. It has a consonant sound. For consonant sound, we use a book. Okay, clear? Tie. Next question is tie here. So first find out, it is in the singular form or it is in the plural form. Yes, it is in a singular form because TOYS. For the plural, we have to. It should be written here ties, but it's written here tie, TOY tie, and it is in a singular form. First step completed, go to the second step. Now go to the sound. It has a consonant sound, tie, TOY tie. It has a consonant sound. For the consonant sound, we use always a tie. In same very way, apple, APPLE, apple. Apple is the singular form. Okay, go to the second step. It has a vowel sound. For the vowel sound, we use an. Okay, it's easy guys. An apple. Next is orange, ORANGE, orange. It is in the singular form. First, go to the second step. Second step, it has a vowel sound. For vowel sound, we use an here. An orange. Clear? Similarly, umbrella. Umbrella is in the singular form. Okay, now go to the second step. See it has a vowel sound. For vowel, we use an umbrella. Okay, here uniform. And we had already studied about the uniform. It is in the singular form. Okay, now go to the sound. Okay, it has a consonant sound. Umbrella. Uniform. Okay, so a uniform. Clear? Now go to the next one. Egg. EZZ, egg. Egg is in the singular form. It is in the singular form. Now it has a second step. It has a vowel sound. So an egg. It's easy guys? Yes. Eggs. EGGS, eggs. Eggs is in a plural form. For plural, just you have to write no article. N.A. No article. No article in eggs. Ink pot. You can count the pot. Okay, it is in the singular form. Okay, now go to the sound. It has a vowel sound. An ink pot. Clear? Last, the question is last, ink. Can you count the ink? No. Can you count the water? No. Coffee can be counted? Not at all. So it is a material noun. Okay. So no article is used in ink. Clear? Any doubt? Guys, if you have any doubts, you can go to the comment box and just drop a message guys. Okay. I try my level best to touch all the comments guys. Okay. If possible, try to mention it all in the fair copy with a date. Okay? Now guys, the uses of the. Guys, before starting the video, I had told you, I had requested you to please concentrate and watch the video because it is very, very important to this article portion guys. Okay? Now, the uses of the. Before any musical instrument, we use the here. For example, the drum, the bass or the guitar, the tabla, the harmonium, etc. Okay. See, the drum, the guitar. Before the names of seas, oceans, rivers, bay, we use the here. For example, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Punpun, the Brahmaputra, the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Arab, etc. Okay? These are the few examples here. Go to the next one. Before some countries, for example, the USA, the UK, the United Kingdom, the United States Arab Emirates, okay, we use the here. Yes, you see? Now, the next one is before mountain range. Before any mountain range, for example, the Himalaya, the Alps, okay, the K2, the Kanchenjunga, etc. It's very easy, guys. Well-known buildings. That means you can even say historical monuments. Before any historical monuments, we use the. For example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a historical monument. So we can use here the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, the White House. Okay? Now, go to the next one. Before any newspaper in English or the magazine in English, we use the Hindu, the Telegraph, the Times of India, the India Today. Go to the next one. Before trains and ships. Okay. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the GMU, the Garib Rath, the Titanic, the Vikranta. Okay. Before and many more. Now, before the direction, before indicating the direction, even we use the east, the north, the south, the west. Clear? Now, next, before any, it's called before any planet's name. Before any planet's name, we use the Earth, the Jupiter, the Sun, the Moon. That means before any unique object we use the. Okay, clear? If you have any doubt, guys, please go to the comment box and just drop a message. Okay, hope that you are understood. You have understood all this. Try to copy all this in the fair copy. If possible, try to even mention the date and write in a good writing. Hope that you all enjoyed a lot. And please do subscribe the channel. Please press the bell icon, guys.